using interface as references. So each interface defines a new type, and so variables can be declared to be of an interface type. But as we said earlier, we can't create an object of an interface type. That's why such variables can refer to an object of any class that implements the interface. So here's an example. So we have a series variable s that is a new by twos. So we can't create new series because we can't declare an object of series. However, it could be by twos, it could be by threes, and we can use any method that are defined by the interface. So let's see this in the example. So again, in this example, we have by twos and by threes that implement series. So we're going to create an variable series called iref. So this is legal. So you can define a variable of type interface, but what you can't do is you can't say new series. This will give you an error. So let's try this. Let's make sure this is version 3. Here we go. So series is abstract, cannot be instantiated. So what we can do is we can actually keep it like this, and let's create another for loop. Integer I set to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus. So before we go into this for loop, I'm gonna say iref is set to new by twos. This is legal, so we can do that. So in here, I'm going to create a print statement which will say next by twos value is so plus and iref dot get next. Okay. So let's see if this will work. Looks good. And Java series demo 3. So next by twos value is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. But what I can also do, I can copy this and then change this to by threes. It's the same variable, but now it's reference to a new by threes object. And that's it. So I don't have to change this one since they both have the same method. So compile and run. So next by twos and then next by threes. Right. So notice that what I can't do here, I can't call get current val because get current val does not belong to the series. If I try to call that here, I will get an error. So let's call pl by iref that get current val should give us an error. Okay, what does it say? Error cannot find get current val. Method get current val is not does not belong to the series interface basically. So what I should do is I should just not call it at all. Okay, so this is how it's done.